But seriously, if you're going to play into the bathroom, take your Lego set and check this out. As you're going in, it's motion activated and boom, a Lego is the key ingredient to opening your toilet. Would you excuse me while I go handle my business? Actually though, the lights on this thing are really cool. Check this out, you have a kick sensor. Ooh, ah, ooh la la. Yeah, this toilet's pretty cool. Does your toilet have lights? Not only that, this thing has a heated seat, yes, and you can actually change the temperature of it right here on your control panel from 93 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Not good enough? Well, this thing has a built-in dryer for cleaning your Lego. Once your Lego's done, you can literally blow dry it off just from this toilet. You can grab your HOROW Smart Toilet by using the link here in the description above, or check the description below if you want to check out some of their other products from different bidets and many other amazing tech gadgets. But let me know in the comments below, are you going to be picking up a bidet from HOROW and using it to clean your Lego, or maybe just for its intended use? Either way, make sure to leave your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Smash the thumbs up. Let's see if we can hit 300 likes in today's video. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. Now, enjoy the bloopers and peace out. Oops. This new smart toilet from HOROW even has a Lego washing station. Check out this control panel and you can click this button to wash your Lego, and check this bad boy out. And look at that, you now have clean Lego. Okay, that's probably not the bidet's intended use, but you get my drift. Yes, it's early in 2025 and I got sprayed by a bidet twice just for this video. Love you guys. Peace.